Welcome back to coding. It's simple. Very simple once you learn it. Anyways, let's get into what this is. So, the first topic we'll be learning, is variables. What are these things? Well, they're here to hold your data. No, not your credit card number, your data. Basically, if you say something like int, well, I should probably explain what this is. Int is short for integer. Integer basically means number. Oops, caps lock. There you go. Number. Integer equals number. Get used to it. You'll be using it a lot. Now, int equals integer, which equals number. Alright? They should be able to know what int is. Now, what do you do with this int? Well, if I say int equals 5, the code will scream at me like, what do you mean? The code will scream at me. So what do I do? Well, if I apply a value named, I don't know, stupidity, now it will be happy. And now we can run it to see what happens. Nothing. All it says is press any key to continue because of the pause. What happened? Well, it's there, but we're not showing it. We're not showing it. So we gotta show it somehow. So I say cout. Instead of, you usually write text here. If you remember in our last video, you'd usually write text in here, which is, oh, I should also mention, you'll be needing this for later. Text equals, well, words. So get used to it. Text equals word. You usually write words in here, but now we're going to put stupidity in no brackets, which in no quotation marks, which means we're not saying write stupidity. We're saying write whatever is in stupidity, which would mean 5. Now, it's very important you don't accidentally add quotation marks, or else you'll get the word stupidity. So don't write in quotation marks. Now, what if we wanted to say, I am stupidity. My stupidity level is 5. What if we wanted to say that? To do this, we want to use double things. So this means that it will print whatever's in here first, and then it will print stupidity. Let's go. So if we say my stupidity level is, if I say that, and then just go play, bam, my stupidity level is 5. Now why is these joined together? Well, it's simple, because it doesn't add spaces, so we have to add it ourselves. My stupidity level is 5. Nice. Okay, but what's the point? What's the point of storing these values? Well, besides making your life so much easier, trust me, you'll be needing them, you could change them. So for instance, what if I just say, copy this, by Control-C, and paste it. Now we paste it twice. And then here, if I say int stupidity equals 14. Now you might be saying, what happened? Well, now the code is shouting at me once again. Why? Because I'm defining it twice. I'm saying int. You only use the value type when you're actually saying what it is. You don't need to say it twice, so this works. My stupidity level is 5, my stupidity level is 14. So now I'm stupider. Now, what else can you do? Well, if I take this again, you can do basic arithmetic. Stupidity equals stupidity plus 1. You can do basic arithmetic, and I forgot to add a semicolon like an idiot. You have to add a semicolon at the end of everything, except for some. See? Now it added by 1. If you're really lazy and don't want to write this, just get rid of this and add a plus. It still works the same. And if you're really lazy, I don't know if this works for everything, but you can just add plus plus. Stupidity plus plus. So it works the same. Because plus plus means that add 1 to it. And the same goes with minus minus. Now if you want to change it more than 1 but still want to be lazy, just do minus equals or plus equals, depending on what you want to change, 5, or your value you want to change it by. Bam! Less stupid. What else arithmetic can you do? How about a little bit of multiplication? Bam! I'm even more stupider than before. Or maybe just calm down with a little bit of division. Just calm down with a little bit of division. Now I'm less stupid by 2! You see? It's so simple. What if you want to maybe... Ooh. Yeah. 12 is subtracted. Now I'm pretty sure... Yeah, that should be all for it. So now you can know how to add things, but what if I tell you that you could do more? Int smartness equals 7? Huh? My smartness level. My smartness level. Smartness? You can add different values. You can have different values. So now, my stupidity level is 5, my smartness level is 7, my stupidity level is 14, and my stupidity level is 16. You can have more than one value. In fact, you can have millions. Infinity. All you want. Stupidity. Yeah. What could we do with this new smartness value? Well, what if I want to actually print my proper smartness value? Well, stupidity minus equals smartness. Now instead of using a fixed number, I'm actually using a value, which I set up here, which is very useful and smart, because my smartness level is 7, which is higher than my stupidity level. But I kind of got stupider, so now I... What else can you do? Well, this is simple. I is a Dumbo, which means I need to quickly display my smartness and stupidity in one go to show how smart I am and how dumby I am. So instead of doing 2 lines, I could do this. Stupidity, my level is stupidity. Another one, and my smartness level is smartness. What does this do? Well, I've just added 4 things, which I did wrong. Huh. Oh, I get it. I get what I did wrong. Hold on. If your code's not working properly, just check your code again. Look, my stupidity level is 7 and my smartness level is 7. Perfect! Now, you don't have to set it all the time, by the way. If you want to just do some quick things, you can do it in here. So now it's 1, but I'm not actually setting it to 1, I'm just doing stuff 1. I know it could be complicated, so watch this video a few times over if it doesn't make sense. Anyway, that should be it for today. For now, you should know what int means, what text means, how to declare a variable, how to print a variable, how to print text and variables together, how to change a variable both by directly setting it and changing it by a number or another variable, and finally how to make a cout with 4 different things, let's call them. And finally, you should also know that's all you should know by now. If you know this, you're ready to move on to the next video once it's up. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe to me if you want to see more coding videos, or if you don't want coding, or just watch this for fun, and just want to watch the gaming videos, I have those too. And I'll see you on the next video. Wow!